Welcome back to Dream Drop Stories. Last time on our channel, Spider-Man faced his mirrored self in the web of mirrors, but now something is disappearing. From above, all around the world, pieces of the sky are turning black and vanishing like puzzle pieces. Planes can't fly because the sky up there is falling apart. Birds are frozen mid-flight. People call the Avengers. Something is pulling reality upward. Thor believes this may be the work of Nyxara, a cosmic sorceress of darkness, who once tried to steal the stars themselves. Iron Man's orbital satellites show a massive gravitational rift. Above Earth, even Hulk's incredible strength is beginning to fade. So Iron Man flies to the Sahara Desert, where Hulk is investigating a swirling black storm that seems to pull energy from everything. Meanwhile, Spider-Man swings by a playground, where he finds a small child holding a dark, glowing stone. It's a shard of mirror left over from the last episode, now pulsing with sky energy. Then the child vanishes. She wears a flowing robe made of stardust and claims she is fixing the sky by removing its chaos, including Earth. Iron Man's suit loses power, Hulk gets weaker and weaker, and Spider-Man's webs lose their stickiness. It looks like Nyxara will win. The shards fall from the sky, the black clouds disperse, and the sky is fixed. And that's when we learned her name is Nyxara. He looks to the stars and says, "I sense a great evil stirring. Nyxara may be gone, but she has plans for the stars themselves. They saved the day once again. Now it's time for bed." Suddenly, from the rift in the sky, a woman descends. So the Avengers regroup. Just search for our channel and click subscribe. Then join us every Friday for all new episodes. Until next time, stay awesome. She holds a dark, glowing stone in her hand and whispers, "She's not gone. She's inside the stars now." What do you think the child means? Will Nyxara try to take over the stars? And how will the Avengers stop her? Thor channels the sunlight, blasting it through the mirror right at the rift. Our channel is now on a mission to send bedtime stories to 1 billion kids. That's because we believe every child deserves a good night's sleep. And that's why we make animated videos based on popular children's books. They blast into the upper atmosphere for a mid-air battle. But Nyxara's void absorbs their powers. Now Nyxara blasts away. Thor gets blinded. We also do adventures with Spider-Man, magical stories about unicorns, funny tales about talking dinosaurs, and even science experiments gone wrong. So join us on our mission to put a smile on every kid's face. Click the link below to download the app and enjoy these fun-filled stories. If they can bounce the sun's light off of those shards into the rift, maybe they can break Nyxara's darkness. But then Spider-Man remembers the mirror shards from Reflectro's world. The mirror cracks, but Hulk keeps it together just long enough for the light to reach the rift. So Iron Man uses his remaining strength to construct a solar cannon. Hulk holds the mirror high above his head, and Spider-Man guides the beam, smashing it into the rift again and again. The sky tears open with light. Then Spider-Man calls out for the light of the living room. "Let there be light!" And Nyxara screams as she vanishes. The Avengers cheer. But before they leave, Thor picks up a glowing shard. As the Avengers return to Earth, the glowing child appears before them again. And if you want more adventures with the amazing Spider-Man, swing on over to our channel. Now, before you go, I have a super exciting announcement. But we don't do bedtime stories for kids only.